Welcome to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast, where we help you navigate the ins and outs of running your micro and small businesses, providing actionable insights and strategies to thrive. I am Dr. Karen Lowe, founder of Epigram Consulting Services. Please like, subscribe, and share to help us get the word out about building great micro and small businesses.
Let's go.
Today, we are diving into a fundamental aspect of building a successful business, deciding on or recognizing your target market. Whether you are just starting or looking to refine your existing business, understanding your target market is crucial for your success and profitability. Let us start by defining what we mean by target market. Simply put, your target market is the specific group of consumers most likely to buy your products or services. These are the people whose needs and wants align closely with what you are offering. Recognizing your target market is about understanding who these people are, what they need, where they spend their time, and how they make their buying decisions. Now, how to identify your target market. Identifying your target market involves several steps. Here is a detailed guide to get you started. Step 1. Define your product or service. First, clearly define what you're selling. Understand its features, benefits, and unique selling points. Ask yourself these questions. What problem does my product or service solve? How does it improve someone's life or business for that matter? What makes it different from other products or services on the market? Write down all the key attributes of your product or service. This will help you understand who would benefit the most from it. Step 2. Analyze your current customers. If you are already in business, take a close look at your existing customers and analyze the following. So for demographics, what are the age, gender, income level, education, occupation, etc. Psychographics, what are their interests, hobbies, values, lifestyle choices, and so on. And for behavior buying, how often do they purchase from you? What motivates their purchases? Are they price sensitive or do they value quality over price? This analysis can provide valuable insights into patterns and commonalities among your customers, helping you identify who else might be interested in your product or service. Step 3. Conduct market research. Whether or not you have an existing business, market research is always helpful. Market research involves gathering information about your potential customers. Here are some methods to consider. Surveys and questionnaires. Create surveys to gather information directly from potential customers. Ask about their needs, preferences, and purchasing habits. Social media platforms now allow you to easily and cheaply conduct surveys and questionnaires of potential customers. Interviews and focus groups. Conduct one-on-one interviews or group discussions to gain deeper insights into customer behavior and preferences. And competitor analysis. Study your competitors. Who are they targeting? This who includes the details in step 2. What strategies are they using? What gaps or opportunities can you identify in the market based on the information from the competitor analysis? Utilize online resources such as Google Sheets, SEO tools, social media tools, and market research reports to supplement your primary research. Step 4. Segment your market. Based on your research, segment your market into distinct groups. Each segment should share similar characteristics and needs. Consider these common types of market segmentation. Demographic segmentation looks at age, gender, income, education, occupation. Geographic segmentation looks at location, climate, urban or rural. Psychographic segmentation looks at lifestyle, values, interest, personality traits. And behavioral segmentation, purchasing behavior, usage rate, brand loyalty. For example, if you are selling high-end fitness equipment, one segment might be affluent professionals aged 30 to 50 who value health and wellness. Remember, you need to know your clients in order to speak to them in terms they will relate. And the final step 5, evaluate the potential of each segment. Consider the following factors to evaluate the potential of each market segment. Size. How large is the segment? Is it big enough to be profitable? Growth potential. Is the segment growing or shrinking? What are the future trends? Competitive landscape. How many competitors are targeting this segment? Can you offer something unique? Accessibility. Can you effectively reach and serve this segment? Do you have the necessary resources and channels? Focus on the segments that show the most promise in terms of profitability, growth, and alignment with your business capabilities. Understanding your target market is vital for several reasons. Better product and service development, in that when you know your target market, you can tailor your products or services to meet their specific needs and preferences. This increases the likelihood of customer satisfaction and repeat business. Understanding your target market allows for more effective marketing. Marketing to a broad audience can be expensive and inefficient. By focusing on a specific target market, you can create more personalized and compelling marketing messages. This can lead to higher engagement and conversion rates. Understanding your target market also improves customer relationships. Knowing your target markets help you build stronger relationships with your customers. You can communicate more effectively, anticipate their needs, and provide better customer service. Understanding your target market enables increased profitability. Very important. By targeting the right customers, you can reduce waste in your marketing efforts, optimize your sales strategies, and ultimately increase your profitability. It is about working smarter, not harder. Now, the importance of your target market in relation to success and profitability. Your target market is the foundation of your business strategy. Here is why it is so crucial to your success and profitability. Number 1, resource allocation. With a clear target market, you can allocate your resources more effectively. You will know where to spend your marketing budget, what channels to focus on, and how to prioritize your efforts. Number 2, competitive advantage. Understanding your target market gives you a competitive edge. You can differentiate yourself from competitors by offering tailored solutions that better meet the needs of your customers. Number 3, customer loyalty. A deep understanding of your target market fosters customer loyalty. When customers feel understood and valued, they are more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Referral marketing is so important, which comes from customer loyalty. And finally, scalability. As your business grows, having a well-defined target market makes it easier to scale. You can replicate successful strategies and expand your reach to similar customer segments. So there you have it. The importance of deciding on or recognizing your target market. It is a crucial step that can significantly impact your business's success and profitability. If you have not already, take some time to define and research your target market. If you did so in the past, analyze the information and ensure it is in line with current market needs and according to your goals. Trust me, it is worth the effort. Thank you for tuning in to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast. If you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have not already done so, click the notification button for twice weekly content. We post on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences on deciding on or recognizing your target market, please leave a comment below or email us. Your feedback helps us create more valuable content for you. Your feedback and insights are always welcome. Also, what topics would you like me to discuss in the future? How can I help you? Epigram Consulting Services offers business coaching, strategy consulting, marketing solutions, and much more. You can always contact us if you need more practical solutions for your business. See our website details in the description below and in our bio. We're also on all social media platforms. Thank you so much for staying with me. Continue creating your business masterpiece.